Good day, guys. Bale, just want to share the USANA Cell Essentials. First one is the antioxidant. Bale, ganito ang itsura niya. And brown, slight brown ang color. And yung core minerals naman is white naman siya. Bale, hindi pala ito pinag-combine kasi yung tablet will make it too big for us to swallow. So, kaya maghiwalay siya. But, dapat pair silang iti-take para nourish, protect, and renew ang refill natin. So, that's it. Thank you. Till my next video. Bye.